Sprinklr Honest Review. Watch before using. Welcome to my honest review of Sprinklr. If you're looking into Sprinklr for your business, this is what you need to know before diving in. Sprinklr is designed as a unified customer experience platform, primarily aimed at large enterprises. It offers an all-in-one solution for managing customer interactions across multiple channels. Think social media, messaging apps, emails, and even review sites. This platform stands out because of its ability to bring together customer data from diverse touchpoints, enabling brands to get a holistic view of their customer journey, which is key to delivering personalized and effective engagement. One of Sprinklr's core strengths lies in its robust social media management capabilities. You can monitor brand mentions, track competitor activities, schedule posts, and analyze engagement, all within a single dashboard. It also offers advanced AI-powered insights, which help to understand sentiment, spot trends, and anticipate customer needs. This is especially useful for businesses that need to stay agile in their social strategies, as it enables them to quickly adapt to shifts in customer expectations. On top of that, Sprinklr's content planning and collaboration tools make it easy to coordinate between teams, keeping messaging consistent and on-brand across all channels. Sprinklr doesn't stop at social media. It has robust tools for customer care and engagement. It integrates seamlessly with help desk solutions, giving customer service teams a unified platform to resolve issues and respond to inquiries. There's also Sprinklr's listening and AI-powered response capabilities, which can help automate parts of customer service and provide faster response times, crucial for brands dealing with high volumes of customer interactions. Now, who is Sprinklr ideal for? It's primarily for large enterprises that manage extensive customer engagement efforts across various platforms. The platform's robust analytics, reporting, and automation tools are especially useful for organizations aiming for deep insights and efficiency at scale. However, it may not be ideal for small businesses due to its complexity and cost. Overall, if you're looking for a powerful platform to streamline customer interactions, enhance social media management, and analyze customer sentiment on a large scale, Sprinklr delivers. But remember, it requires a bit of onboarding time to master its complex interface, so be ready to invest in training.